Yo, what's up YouTube? So we're back again. We got my 2018 340i xDrive out. Today I will be doing my XHP settings and as long as my MHD settings with the burble settings. I got a couple people asking me this on my YouTube and TikTok as well, so I'll finally be doing this long-awaited video. My bad to you guys that it took me such a while. I've just been busy with doing a lot of things, so my apologies for that, but I'm really trying to stay consistent. Yeah man, don't mind the car right now. It's pretty dirty, but I gotta get a wash with it. Where I'm at, it's pollen's pretty crazy. It's starting to come out already, so it's kind of crazy. The car's really dirty now, but I need new wheels and tires because I really want this new look that I want, so I'm trying to get that stuff next. But you got the front end at least a little good done for right now, to my liking at least for right now, so that's pretty good. But we'll get into the car now and start doing the downloads and everything. I mean the settings and everything. I'll show you guys now. I'll even get a little, turn the car on for you guys so you guys can see what it sounds like. You may be able to hear me. You should be able to hear me now, but yeah, it's fully loud. If you guys are wondering, I got a straight pipe exhaust, and then it's straight pipe and it's full straight pipe, and then I have a catless downpipe, and then my stage 2 tune as well with my stage 3 transmission tune. So that's for what, if you guys were wondering about that. That's pretty much it right there. You guys may saw, yeah, the back is super dirty. My back bumper, I need to get the new one of that. I need to upgrade to the M Sport one. As you guys know, I didn't know too much about BMWs when I got my car, so I didn't even know about the M Sport and stuff and everything like that. So unfortunately I never got an M Sport, but it's also really hard to find when I'm over here where I'm at. But now I'll be making sure I do all those upgrades along with the side skirts, everything. So I have a lot of crazy plans for this car. I want to do a lot of things to it, so yeah, y'all, hopefully everybody can stay tuned for that and everything. So I'm really excited to do all these things to the car. We'll get into the MHD settings now. I'll throw up a screen recording too so y'all can see better. I'll let that screen record right now. So what you want to do, you go to flash a MHD map, and then I'm on stage 2, so I go to stage 2, 93 octane. I'm not on ethanol yet until I get my new fuel pump. I do want to make sure I do want to make that swap to ethanol, especially with the gas prices. It's crazy right now. It's really crazy. But here are my MHD settings. We got the anti-lag, 16 psi. I might go a little fast, but y'all could just stop the video or anything just to look at anything. The overrun BRAP is pretty important to me. I used to like the long, but I like the short now. You guys can really test it out for whatever you guys would like. But it's kind of like when you do a pull or whatever and you let off the gas at kind of a little bit of high RPM, you hear a little noise, so it's pretty cool. And then I'm on hard right now, but it's only on hard because of I use hard aggressiveness for the POV drives, so you guys will probably see that on hard right now, but I usually normally keep it at medium. And then I have cold start noise reduction off, but it's pretty impressive. If you guys ever want to turn your car on in the morning and it's loud, if you guys really want to, you could turn this on, I say in the morning times, and it helps a lot because the car is really quiet when you do it. So it's really crazy. I'm pretty impressed with how quiet it actually is. It's actually insane. And then I have exhaust flap always open as form. When I have it off, I mean on, even though I don't have flaps anymore anyways, because when I got rid of my muffler, so I don't even have it there no more. Startup roar is pretty good too. If you guys don't know, basically when your car's already pretty much warmed up, it would start up and it would raise the car to higher RPMs. I'm pretty sure that's how it works, and it starts up pretty loud, so it's pretty nice. I like it. The rest of this stuff is pretty much all just regular. I never touch none of this stuff because I don't know too much about this stuff, so I just keep it regularly. Now we'll move over to the XHP settings. I'm on stage 3, so you will click stage 3. and then you click the flash settings, so you would edit this stuff. Here are my torque reduction upshifts. I got these settings for somebody else, so I don't really know how this works much, but yeah, these settings work good for me. Safe for my car and my transmission. This is the ignition cut shifting, so I do want to talk about this. I figured these settings out on my own. They're my favorite, to be honest. I just put everything pretty much on low. Basically, when you shift, it makes the shift sound really nice. That's how you get that like shift brap noise. It sounds really nice. I love it. It's one of my favorite things on this car, I'm not gonna lie. So that's what that one for that settings is. And then the other thing I have is throttle blips M mode. This is like when you're downshifting, it kind of like helps to like, I guess, use to like rev match the engine on downshifts. So it sounds really nice. I really like it when it does that too, because it actually sounds really crazy. I couldn't believe how like good it actually sounded when I started using this. So I really like this. And then the gear display is nothing really important, but like when you're in comfort or like drive mode, it kind of like, it shows you like the gear that you're in when you're in drive mode. So it's pretty cool when you're in comfort. So I just liked it because it kind of just looks cool. I just like having it, but that's really it. It's really nothing important about it, but besides that, that's pretty much everything. And then you would just flash now after editing those stuff, and it should look like this at the top, all like that. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this car. I do have a lot of things I want to do else to the car, but here's the car right now. It's really dirty. Yeah, man, I want to get like a carbon trunk, the new back bumper. You know, I got new taillights. It's hard to see in the sun, but they are pink right now. But I got that. Yeah, it's really dirty right now, so I'll definitely get a car wash, most likely tomorrow, because I'm pretty busy. But so we hit that. Yeah, I am really happy with how the front turned out. Not everybody really likes the M3 front bumper for F30s, but I love it personally. And then I also got the white grills on the little white V-brace thing, so I really like it. And then I have yellow DRLs, but the white light's on right now, I forgot. But yeah, I have yellow DRLs. So yeah, that's pretty much everything, man. But I hope you guys can enjoy this video and can like the video, so that way you guys could get some similar sounding to your B58s like mine, if you guys want it, or just hopefully you guys learn something for when tuning your B58 or your car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to do everything. So yeah, but I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure to like the video, and just thank you guys for all the support lately and everything.